What's up everyone? Welcome to the video showing a tutorial for this Chu Chu round. Now this is largely, honestly, a break round. What you want to do is just kill that Chu Chu straight away. You can use bombs or that kind of stuff. Most people just use bombs here. I don't like using bombs a whole lot because I actually really enjoy using boomerangs, right? So you want to light your arrows on fire and then use those in order to get the fire arrows and the boomerangs, okay? So here we're going to get our fire arrows. There's 5 fire arrows over here. Okay, and now we're just going to run to the other end of the level, right over there, and we're going to get that chest. That chest is going to contain a boomerang, and that is going to make this much easier. You don't have to use fire arrows, obviously. You could use a regular arrow and light it on fire just like I did earlier. But I like using the fire arrow because it's only one fire arrow and it ends up speeding things up, right? So then you're going to use the boomerang. And this is something that I recommend that you get some experience with because the boomerang is actually quite useful. You can see that I just screwed up there because that tree was in the way. But especially against these Chu Chus, it's great to be able to just kill them from range. Oh, picked up the rock instead. Where'd the boomerang go? There you go. The boomerang on fire lights the environment on fire, which is quite useful, but obviously not really against the Chu Chus. And if you get the timing right, it's much easier, right? Yeah, it's going to hit the wall, so it stops there. Normally I do better, but yeah, it's really pretty simple. I usually use an arrow for that first one. And then we just keep going. Make sure to catch the boomerang, and then you can kill all of these Chu Chus in one hit. You don't have to deal with using bombs over and over and over again. Works quite well. This round is honestly one of the easier rounds. I consider it more like a break round than anything else. And the first 4 rounds are quite important because they're not hard, but it's easy to screw up a little bit and lose most of the bonuses that you get. So if you can get the first 4 rounds down and get some systems down, then you're going to do much better in the later rounds because the beginning trials are the hardest, at least on master mode. On the other difficulty, maybe not so much, but on master mode, if you can beat the beginning trials, then you can beat the other trials. And ultimately, the difficult part of the beginning trials is the rounds with Lizalfos. The first 2 Lizalfos rounds are eh. The round after that, the 3rd Lizalfos round, that one is genuinely hard. The enemy has a lot of health, and it's really important to have an attack bonus and to continue that way. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.